Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk uh, about a very crucial subject that every software tester wonders about. Will artificial intelligence or AI replace humans in the workplace? Or are jobs in general, especially in software testing, at risk? Artificial intelligence such as ChatGPT has been the subject of a lot of discussion lately, and many new platforms are on the horizon. Now that the ChatGPT is available in the market, its capabilities and general design were essentially revolutionary. The question now is whether similar or more sophisticated artificial intelligence platforms in the future will be able to take over jobs, or will those tools or platforms will be able to completely replace software testers. This is not just a question about software testers, though it could also apply to development or office work. But since this channel is more specifically about software testing, I will speak about it specifically. When we discuss how the AI platform will replace you in your current position, I will discuss my experience in the marketing scenario, both at work and outside of it, including with clients, other businesses, and individuals who work for other organizations. From every angle, the current situation is basically a very initial stage. It is not possible, in my opinion, for AI technologies to replace software testers, and I do not see this happening in the near future as well. Thus, I want to be clear upfront that this won't happen. Now, regarding replacement, the reason this technology can't take the place of human touch, or more accurately, human intellect, is that artificial intelligence or AI lacks the capacity of for thought and intelligence. Artificial intelligence is not so sophisticated as to be able to think for itself, or in a manner similar to how a specific human might in a certain situation. Therefore, artifi- artificial intelligence is something that is taught on existing data and then generates a result based on that data. Artificial intelligence will replace a few things and functions, and it may even replace some jobs as well. However, it can only give you pieces of code in the form of snippets of code, where technical ability, or more accurately, mental ability, is required. Whatever is being developed, requirements must first be met. Then, coding must begin based on those requirements. Modules must be integrated. Test cases must be written based on a specific model. And the environment must be set up, and test cases must be done immediately. This is not possible, at least not right now, and I don't see it happening anytime soon. My view of technology is that it is constantly improving, and as a result, there might be possibility for data entry jobs might be reduced. However, you will be more productive at work if you attempt to use AI talents. Thus, these platforms won't replace your employment. They will increase your efficiency, particularly in the area of software testing. You can ask for code in Java, for instance, to read CSV files, and you will receive a snippet of code that you can use to increase your efficiency. You should be aware of what the code essentially writes, but it may not be 100% accurate because it is a trained model. Thus, that's where AI is right now. In the field of software testing and development, a trained model generates specific details, and human intelligence is needed to determine how to use such snippets in test cases to expedite and improve labor efficiency. Therefore, given the current state of the market and the level of intelligence present in the platforms that are available, I do not believe that AI will replace software testers, or even just software testers in general, but rather other types of employment as well. Only operations that require a highly specific set of input and output items are replaced without a doubt. For instance, mechanical robots have taken the place of humans in assembly lines, but this does not imply that humans are not still needed there. On the contrary, human labor is still absolutely necessary. These AI tools are very useful for repetitive tasks or fixed sets of input and output. but they are not appropriate for jobs requiring intelligence, reasoning, or a holistic approach. Software testing is all about understanding requirements, writing test cases. But writing test cases also requires setting up an environment, which is something that AI tools cannot help with either now or in the future. Therefore, I am positive, at least that's my personal belief, that positions in software testing are not being replaced. There will be possibilities wherein AI tools will provide you help to make you more efficient.